को लेकर चलना है। यूएस एज यूजुअल आग लगा के भाग जाने वाला है। यू कैन नॉट ट्रस्ट। एंड इफ यू सी द करंट सिचुएशन इन बांग्लादेश व्हाट्स हैपनिंग, यू विल सी अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल इन आवर कंट्री, हमारे देश के बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो चाहते हैं कि जो बांग्लादेश में हो वो इंडिया में भी हो, बट दे फॉरगेट कि इंडिया इज नॉट बांग्लादेश। बांग्लादेश में जो हुआ उसके पीछे ऐसे बहुत सारे फोर्सेस हैं who also want to destabilize India since ages. But there are 2-3 things in India which will never let India to become a Bangladesh. First, we have a very robust army, and it is impossible to buy or malign or compel Indian army to go there against their government or against the democracy. First thing, Indian army will never do what Bangladeshi army did. Then we have a very robust judiciary, independent, free press, and the worst thing is that despite having so many confusions or complaints or fights or throwing chairs and chappals in the parliament, even the opposition parties in our country will never let that happen. In Bangladesh it happened because except the family, everyone else wanted it to happen. Judiciary, media, army, civil society, students, public, everyone. So if people think that India can become a Bangladesh, it's not possible. Some people can keep on praying day and night for the destruction of our motherland, but it's not easy. Because in India, अगर आप किसी पब्लिक प्लेस पे जाओ और 10 लोगों से बात करो तो हर कोई पेट्रियट है, लेकिन 10 लोग आपको 10 वर्जन देंगे पेट्रियटिज्म का। So patriotism is one such emotion which varies from person to person. किसी को लगेगा इकोनॉमी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होनी चाहिए, I want to work for the economy of the country, I am a patriot. कोई बोलेगा देश का डिफेंस बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होना चाहिए, we need to have a very robust army and defense forces, I am a patriot. कोई बोलेगा देश में कभी कोई दंगा नहीं होना चाहिए, everyone will live peacefully irrespective of the religion, caste, creed and whatever, and I will work for it, I am a patriot. Someone will say कि whenever we have a war, we are always the one to win, irrespective of whether we are right or wrong. Then I am a patriot. So patriotism is a very tricky emotion. But universally, अगर आप देखो, so love for the country is consistent. There is no compromise on that, and no one can compromise. You may love the way you want to, from your own perspective. But when someone says I don't love my country, there is a problem. And despite of whatever you say, you will still have a lot of people in our country, as our beloved Sardar ji Vallabh Bhai Patel also said, कि अगर आज मैं होता तो उन सबको मजा चखा देता. Likewise, if you see the current scenario in our country and outside, India एक ऐसी जगह पे placed है geographically जहाँ चारों तरफ से challenges हैं. आप श्रीलंका देखो, टर्मोइल, नेपाल टर्मोइल, पाकिस्तान नो कमेंट्स, अफगानिस्तान टर्मोइल, चाइना. As these children were singing कि भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है. As an Indian, it is imperative for us to love our country, not just in India but across